So this is how we try for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this we're gonna show you how you can apply RAM to your motherboards. I have a box full of different type of RAM here, you can see. So let's try one of this is DDR3 RAM, 4 GB. This is the motherboard of desktop PC. Laptop could be a little bit different, but desktop, all of them, they should have as this. In this you can see 4 ports, some of them has only 2, depends on the motherboard. So here we go, let me show a little bit more closer. Here this normally stay closed, you have to open them to apply. So I put this one here on this, match the holes exactly. It should go very easily inside, and then you have to press. When you press, the click should be locked. The click is locked. Let me close here so you can see how it is attached. The hole should be matched, the clip, the lock. So this is a very simple way you can do that. You can put 4 RAMs together in this motherboard. Amazing. Then you can use, for example, 4 of them 8 GB, so 32 GB of RAM in this case. So very simple tutorial guys, how you can put a RAM to your desktop PC. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.